Hello, in this tutorial we're going to cover how to reset your password on Weavolution.com. We've streamlined the process, but we do oftentimes get questions, people asking for help for resetting the passwords. We're going to go over that today. The first thing that you need to do to reset your password is go to Weavolution.com and click the login button in the upper right hand corner. This will take you to the screen that you see now, where you need to click the request new password tab in the row above my account. On the screen, on the previous screen, you just type in your email address and click the button, and then you will want to check your email, and you are looking for an email like the one highlighted here. Once that email arrives in your inbox, open that up and either click on the link or copy and paste the link. It's important to make sure that you get the entire password reset link. So copying and pasting is oftentimes a good thing to do. If you don't get that email for some reason, you want to check your spam folder, and then you can just open that link up in your browser and it will take you to the screen that you see now, and you're going to click the login button in the middle of that page. That login button will log you in using the password that the site has generated for you and then you go to my account. But if you don't, it should take you directly to the screen. If not, you can click on my account, type in what you want your new password to be in both places, and then scroll down to the bottom of that page. Make sure that you have accepted the terms and conditions and that you select a house group as previously highlighted. And then you will get the screen that says the changes have been saved and your new password will be ready to go. We do oftentimes get questions about the house group. The house group, you can choose any group. That is just to make sure that everyone has a group on Weavolution they can go to and ask general questions. You should be able to get help from other group members there about like questions on using the site. Maybe if you have a question about where you should post. Another question, you can ask for advice on groups, let people know what your particular interests are. Feel free to introduce yourself there. So if you're having any trouble resetting your password, you should see how to go through that process now. And we look forward to seeing you on Weavolution. Happy weaving, everyone!